WörneR Automatisierungstechnik is your partner when your automatic conveyor systems require careful stopping, positioning, lifting and releasing of your pallets. This task is a particular challenge on closed single-track systems, as there is hardly any space available for the necessary components. For this task, WörneR now has the perfect solution for you. Let me introduce you today to the DO-200, a cost-effective compact stopper for single-track systems. With its extremely compact design, it is suitable for horizontal installation in closed single-track systems. Special mounting kits for track profiles of various suppliers are of course available. The air connections for pneumatic operation can be arranged laterally or from below, and thus are also universally adaptable, for example for systems from FlexLink, ITFT, Broich, Wekal or Ewab. Even with a single-acting version, the DO-200 has an extremely high holding force in the closed position. A double-acting version is also available on request. Customer-specific stop geometries for different pallets ensure optimum force transmission. As a result, workpiece carriers with high weights up to 440 pounds can be stopped. As an option, we can integrate sensors for querying the stop position, which tells you whether the stopper is closed or open. And last but not least, the excellent price-performance ratio makes the DO-200 the perfect solution for your closed single-track transport systems. Ideas from WörneR, your partner for automation.